Oh my god. Hi guys, today I show you how you can fix this light. How is a lot of crack. What do you think? It's possible that I fix this light. Let's look like this. Look, it's a lot of crack. I'll zoom, you can see. What do you think, guys? Can we do it this? It's possible to look like new. Today I can try to do it this. Usually if you polish the light, always you start the polish with, let's say, 1000 with sandpaper, 1000, 1200, 1500, or some people, if there's not too much damage, people start with 2000. But look, I will start with 60. Okay, let's try with 60. Can you see? Yeah, 60. Okay. Oh my god. Look this. Okay, I just want to try what will happen if I start with 60. But now we need to make the proper, we need to put here the tape, the cover, don't come any damage. Okay, let's do this now. I will finish with this tape. Now we can start. Let's continue. Still 60. This light really damaged a lot. They look better, but you can see, look. Still a lot of crack. That's slowly. With this sandpaper I want to remove all this crack. Then I'll start using another sandpaper. I'm sanding by hand. This will take long. I don't have too much time, but still, I took the sandpaper 60, see how I put on the drill, and I want to try it. I want to see what will happen. Let's try. Now I will show you. See now how it's better. Still you can see this all this small crack, but now it's much better. I think now I'll change. Still I'm on 60. You can see. Now I'll change. Next one, what will I take? I'll take 80. Why 80? Not big difference between 60 and 80, but you will see difference. Okay. 16, enough. Finish with 60. Now I'll take 80. 80. Okay guys, this is 80, I finished with 80. Now next one I will take 120, again not big difference, but everything what, I don't know, what I didn't do it good, next sandpaper will fix, because not a big difference. See, now it's 120. I'll show you now how it looks this. You can see all this now is much better. There on some corner still I didn't do it perfect, but with next sandpaper I will fix this. That will be this 120 will be better. But how you can see now, there is not anymore this crack, a lot of crack like before. Still here on this part and this part it's not so perfect, but I hope with couple of next sandpaper that will be better. Okay, now we will start with 120. 120, okay? Let's check what. How you can see, still 120 and much better. I will take 150. Now from the drill. $180. Now 240. Now we go with 320. Now I will take 600. How I said, we start 600, but now with the water. Still I can see here small crack. I hope all this will go like there, here, here, some more crack here. How you can see, it looks much better, but look guys, still sandpaper is 600. That's how it looks now. Amazing. We will finish with 2000. After 600, I will put 800, 1000, 1200, 1500, and finally 2000. And after that, I'll put it with the walk and that's going to be amazing. Okay, I finished with 600. Now I'll take 800. Properly 800. I will continue with 800. Oh, I said next one is 1000. Here, small, very tiny scratch. But honestly, it's very hard to see. Now 1000. Let's take 1000. 1200. We finished 1200. Now we'll start with 1500. It's ready. Finished with 1500. Finally, 2000. Oh, yeah. This part, 2000. Enough. How you can see. Now I will remove this tape. Now I'll let this one dry and prepare for the polish. How you can see, ready for polish. I use this 3M first. Now let's check together. If you remember how it looked before, look at the crack. What do you think? Now it's almost same, like this. If you look, I don't know, can I put proper angle the camera, you can see there is some like small crack. You can see. Here I can finish better, but come on. See here up. But all this you can see only if you're looking so closely. How you can see, I find the proper angle. See this. But everything else is perfect. Tell me your opinion. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.